Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about that non-stoichiometric defect. Last class we discussed about the stoichiometric defect. We know the point defect can be classified into three types. One is about the stoichiometric defect. Second one, non-stoichiometric defect. The third one, impurity defect. Stoichiometric defect is classified into two types. One is Schottky defect, Fengel defect. Non-stoichiometric defect can be classified into two types. One is about that metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect, and one more defect is impurity defect. Impurity defect. So what is about the metal excess defect? Metal excess defect means more number of cations present in the crystal lattice. That means the number of cation and the number of anion is not equal. The cation will be more in this crystal. How it is formed, the metal excess defect. Metal excess defect arises due to the presence of more number of metals ion as compared to anion. For example, alkali metal halide, that is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, lithium chloride, these are all this type of a metal excess defect. Here, in the presence of anionic vacancy equal to the excess metal ion, here forming one of an anionic vacancy. How it is formed? Otherwise we can be say by the presence of extra cation and electron present in the interstitial position. I am explaining one crystal that is called sodium chloride crystal. The sodium chloride crystals are heated in the presence of sodium vapor. Sodium chloride crystal, that is NaCl crystal, are heated in the presence of sodium vapor. Sodium plus ions are formed and are deposited on the surface of the crystal. My dear children, the atomic number of sodium is 11. The first shell we can be accommodate 2 electrons, the second shell 8 electrons, the third shell remaining 1 electrons. So, Na gives Na plus 1 electron minus. The sodium chloride crystal are heated in the presence of sodium vapor. This sodium Na plus is converted into Na plus ion, that is loss of 1 electron, and becomes Na plus ion. This Na plus ions are formed and are deposited on the surface of the crystal. In the crystal, sodium chloride, that is chloride ion, the crystal chloride ion diffuse to the surface from the lactic point and combines with Na plus ion, which is obtained from sodium vapor. Here, the sodium lose 1 electron. The electron lost by the sodium vapor diffuse into the crystal lattice and occupy a vacancy, one of the vacancy created by chloride ion. This vacancy, this electron will be occupied. This vacancy, suppose here one of the vacancy, one of the electron will be occupied there. So the electrical neutrality of the crystal can be maintained now. Okay, here such anionic vacancy which are occupied by unpaired electron, and they are called as F centers. F centers means Farbon centers. Farbon means color center. Now we can be say the formula of NaCl, which contain excess Na plus ions, and this can be written as Na 1 plus XCl. One more example I am taking. So zinc oxide. The zinc oxide is a colorless at room temperature. When it is heated, it becomes yellow in color. It on heating, it loses oxygen and thereby forming free Na2 plus ion. The excess Zn2 plus ion. The excess Zn2 plus ion move to interstitial site and the electron also occupy the interstitial position. Next we can be discuss metal deficiency defect. What is about the metal deficiency defect? Please look the diagram, the picture. Here is one of the Fe2 plus ion is missing. Am I right? So this is the twice number of other Fe2 plus ion in the crystal is oxidized to Fe3 plus ion. That is a concept. Don't forget that. One of the Fe2 plus ion is missing from the crystal lattice. These two are the other Fe2 plus ion in the crystal is oxidized to Fe3 plus ion. That is about the metal deficiency defect. So what is about the metal deficiency defect means it is erased due to the presence of less number of cation than the anion. That is a cation. Cation is a less number, anion is the more number. This defect is observed in the crystal in which cations having variable oxidation state. Here I explained about the two cation. One is about the Fe2 plus and another one is about the Fe3 plus ion. For example, a very good example is iron oxide. The ratio of iron oxide is 1:1 because the formula is FeO. Some of the Fe2 plus ions are missing from the crystal lattice. Here one of the Fe2 plus ion is missing from the crystal lattice. You have to maintain the electrical neutrality. Twice number of other Fe2 plus ion in the crystal is oxidized to Fe3 plus ion. In such a case, overall number of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus ions is less than O2 minus ion. So, the general formula of ferrous oxide is FeXO. FeXO. The X ranges from 0.93 to 0.98. Next, we can be discuss the third type, that is impurity defect. What is about the impurity defect? The ionic salt in the ionic solid, that is AgCl, we are adding one of the impurity, we get a impurity defect. If the impurity ions are in the different valence state from that of host, a vacancy are created in the crystal lattice of the host. For example, the addition of cadmium chloride to the Ag silver crystal to get a solid solution, where we know that the cadmium, that is Cd2 plus, is one of an divalent cation. Here it occupies the position of Ag plus ion. That means if we add cadmium to the in this crystal lattice, that is AgCl crystal lattice, 2 Ag plus ions leaves the crystal lattice. Out of this two, one place Ag2 plus ion occupies the position. The remaining another one place, a cationic vacancy created in the lattice. This type of the defect is called as impurity defect. Please all of you take the solid state lesson, unit number 6, page number 201, book back question number 20. Potassium fluoride crystallizes in face-centered cubic structure like sodium chloride. calculate the distance between potassium plus and fluoride minus in Kf. The density is given. The density of Kf is 2.48 centimeter raised to minus 3. This is the question. You have to calculate the edge length A cube, but the density is given. So first you have to write the density formula. Rho is equal to N M divided by A cube Na. From that we can take the A cube. A cube is equal to N M divided by rho into Na. So you have to find out this value. N means, all of you know that one. It is a face-centered cubic. Am I right? So N value becomes 4. Molar mass, that is M. We have to find the M value. For that M value, those who have the logarithm book means come to page number 58. Page number 58. 58. They have potassium. What is the atomic weight is given here? 39.10. 39.10. Next about the fluorine. That is a fluorine. Page number 56. 56 here also given. 19.00. Just we are adding, we get 58.10. 58.10. So yeah, we have to substitute here. A cube is equal to N. That is 4 atoms. 4 atoms into molar mass 58.10 gram mole inverse divided by rho. Rho value is 2.48 gram centimeter raised to minus 3 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms mole raised to minus 1. Now, which are the possibility for cancelling? Atoms can be cancelled. Gram can be cancelled. Mole inverse can be cancelled. What are the remaining here? That is equal to 4 into 58.10 divided by 2.46 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 centimeter raised to minus 3. Now, for this is one of the multiplication. For this we can be use here logarithm. That is the easiest way for taking log. Just we are taking the log value for numerator and log value for the denominator. Just we are adding and we are taking the log anti-log. Okay. Just what is about the log of 4? It have single character. Am I right? That is a 1 unit. So you can be right. 0. Log of 4 means we can be take log of 40. Log of 40 value is 60, 20, 0.6021. Not 20, 21. 0.6021. Next, log of 58.10. That is, we can be take here having two digits. So you have to write 2 minus 1. So 1 point. Log 58 versus 1. Log 58 versus 1. The answer is 7642. 7642. Just we are adding, we get the answer 3663.2. So the answer is 2.3663. 2.3663. Next we can be take the denominator. Log of 2.48. Log of 2.48. The value is given. Log, we have to find the log of 24 versus 8. 24 versus 8 means here having 2 digits. So the character is 0.3945. 3945. Next, log of 6.023. Here also 6 point, that's single digit. 0 point. Okay, 0 point. 60 versus 2. Please take the log of 60 versus 2. 60 versus 2 means 7796. 7796, and about the mean difference is 2. So we get 7798. 7798. So just we are adding. So we get 4, 3, 7, 1.1. So we get the answer is 1.1743. Now we are going to subtract this one. Above value is 2.3663 minus 1.1743. We get the answer is 1.192. You can write 0 also, okay? 3 minus 3, 0. So 3, 0. Sorry, 1.1920. So anti-log of this value, anti-log, take the anti-log. So you have to take the anti-log is 19 versus 2 and mean difference, not 0 not having. So you have to take 19 versus 2, anti-log of 19 versus 2. That is a page number. Come to take the anti-logarithm. Please carefully take the anti-logarithm. Page number logbook, page number 4. Anti-log. Anti-log means 19 versus 2. 1556. 1556. So here having one point means you have to make it a point after 2 digit. Okay. So 15.56 is the answer. Now we get a cube. A cube is equal to 15.56 divided by 10 raised to 23. A cube is equal to 15.56 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube. Now I am changing the decimal. That is the second to third decimal. Okay. So a cube is equal to 155.6 into 10 raised to minus 24 centimeter cube. We have to write the A. A is equal to cube root of 155.6 into 10 raised to minus 24 centimeter cube. We know that cube root of 10 raised to minus 24 can be written as, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 8. Cube root of centimeter cube is equal to centimeter. So we can be written as A is equal to cube root of 155.6 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. The cube root of 155.6, that is by calculating this, the easiest way is taking logarithm. Here I am using the log. Okay. Take log of 155.6, the power 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 log 155.6. So now I am taking the log of 155.6. That is now here having 3 character, 3 minus 1. So we can be right 2 point log of 15 versus 5. 15 versus 5. We get 1903. That is 2.1903. Then what about the 6 mean difference? Mean difference means 17. So we get 2.1920. So we can be written as, that is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 2.1920. Now I am dividing this 2.1920 by 3 and directly write the answer. I am going to write that is 0.7306. 0.7306. So now I am taking the anti-log of this one because the previous I take the log. Next I am going to take the anti-log of 73 versus 0. 73 versus 0, I get 5370, 5370, and mean difference 3. 73, mean difference 3. Mean difference 3 means again 4 more, okay? So I get the value 5374. 5374. Here anti-log character 0. 0 means I give one decimal. That is 5.374 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now I get the A value, that is about that 5.374 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. We need about that is about that picometer. Okay, so I am changing the decimal. How can I am changing the decimal means again two more point I am giving. So changing the decimal means 537.4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Already here having minus 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter. So we can be written as, again we can be written as A is equal to 537.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 picometer. A is equal to 537.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 picometer. Next, we can be calculate the distance between K plus and F minus is equal to half into edge length. Half into edge length. We know that one. Radius of cation plus radius of anion. That is, radius of cation means RK plus plus radius of anion, that is fluoride, RF minus is equal to A by 2. A by 2. As per this formula, here A means we get the value 537.4 divided by 2. We get the answer 268.7 picometer. 268.7 picometer. This is the distance between potassium, that is K plus, and F minus distance. Okay. Next question, page number 21. An atom crystallized in FCC crystal lattice and has a density of 10 raised to 10 grams centimeter raised to minus 3 with the unit cell, the edge length of 100 picometer. Calculate the number of atoms present in 1 gram of crystal. Book back question number 21. So now also FCC, face-centered cube means number n value is become 4. Rho is equal to 10 gram centimeter raised to minus 1. A is equal to 100 picometer. Am I right? The given A is equal to how much? 100 picometer. That is converted to centimeter means 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. We know the density value rho is equal to n m divided by a cube Na. We have to find the molar mass. M we have to find capital M. M is equal to question mark. So M is equal to rho a cube Na divided by n. Now we can be substituted here. M is equal to density value 10 gram centimeter raised to minus 3 into a cube value. What is the value of a cube? 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Am I right? So 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. The question, the formula having cube. So make it cube here. Avogadro number into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms divided by 4 atoms. Now I am cancelling. Atoms can be cancelled. So no? Already I cancelled. Then one more important point. One more step I am going to write. 10 gram centimeter raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to cube. Am I right? Sorry, 100 raised to cube. Am I right? So 100 cube is equal to 10 square, like that, 10 raised to minus 2. Again having cube, so whole power cube. We can written as 10 raised to 6. Am I right? 10 raised to 6 into. Here 10 raised to minus 10 cube means we can written as 10 into minus 30. Centimeter also having cube, so centimeter cube into. Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to minus 20, sorry, 10 raised to 23 mole raised to minus 1. So, now I am cancelling the power. Here 10 raised to, consider as 10 raised to 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus this 23. That is 30. So 10 raised to plus 30, 10 raised to minus 30, I am going to cancel. So these are everything are cancelled. The remaining, here also we can be cancelled. Centimeter raised to minus 3, centimeter raised to plus 3. This also can be cancelled. The remaining is gram only. So which are the remaining? Avogadro number, that is a 6.023. Already power also cancelled. Divided by 4 gram mole inverse. When I am dividing this one out of this 4 table and directly write the answer. 1.505 gram mole raised to minus 1. That's answer. Next one. The next question. Sorry, it is incomplete. The question is again having calculate the number of atoms present in 1 gram of the crystal. 1 gram of the crystal. That also you have to write. Here, now we find the value of M. Am I right? Value of M, molar mass. Whenever you are writing this question, the molar mass in the standard is, now we know that one this value. So given as the standard you have to write below, and 1 gram, 1 have to write up. Am I right? So 1 gram divided by 1.506 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms mole inverse. So which are the possibility of cancelling here? Gram cancel. Mole minus 1, mole minus 1 can be cancelled. So now I am taking the log. Here also now I am using the log. Log of 6.023. Take the log 60 versus 2 and mean difference 3. Here characteristics is 0 point because single digit. 0.7798 minus because it is a division. Log 1.506 is 15 versus 0 and mean difference 6 means 0.1778. Just we are adding, subtracting, okay, not adding, subtracting. 8 minus 8 becomes 0. 9 minus 7 becomes 2. 7 minus 7 becomes 0. 7 minus 1 becomes 6. 0.6020. 0.6020. Now I am taking the log of antilog of 6020. That is the antilog page number 5. Please take the log of the book, page number 5. Antilog 17 versus 7. Not 70, 60 versus 2, okay? 60 versus 2. The value become 3999, okay? 3999 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So just we are round up means, if you are round up means, before that we have to write the point also. Antilog 0 point means we make it single digit. So 3.999, 3.999 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. If you are round up means we can written as 4 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. 4 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Next question. Atoms, question number 22, page number 201, question number 22. Atoms X and Y form BCC crystalline structure. Atoms X is present at the corner of the cube and Y is at the center of the cube. What is the formula of the compound? Already we discussed this one. So how to find the X number of atoms present and Y number of atoms present, okay? We know that this one of the body-centered cubic. The atoms at the corner is equal to X. Atoms at the corner is equal to Y. Number of atoms present in the corner is equal to X into NC divided by 8. That is equal to 8 by 8 X into 8 by 8. So we get 8 can be cancelled. So we get X. Number of atoms present in corner, that is Y. Sorry, present in the body, not corner, body. Y into NB divided by 1. Y into NB divided by 1. That is equal to Y into 1 by 1. That is equal to Y. So formula of the compound is XY. Formula of the compound is XY. The last question. Page number 201. Book back question. Question number 23rd. Sodium metal crystallizes in BCC structure with the edge length of the unit cell 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the sodium ion. The given A is equal to 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8. BCC, how to calculate body-centered cubic. The n value is become 2. N is equal to 2. Radius of sodium R is equal to root of 3a by 4 into A. Already we discussed that one. A is equal to the given value. A is equal to 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8. 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. And also try to learn about the root 3 value. That is equal to 1.372. Next, when you are substituting here, root 3 value is equal to root 3 value. What is the value of root 3? 1.732 divided by 4 into A value is equal to 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So directly I am writing here 1.732 multiplication for, okay, 1.732 into 4.3 is equal to 7.4476 divided by 4 becomes 1.858619. 8619 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So our lesson is over. Please all of you learn this one. Problems also. The small problem try to learn. Okay. So anyhow, today our assignment. What is our today assignment means? Metal excess defect, metal deficient defect, metal excess defect, metal deficient, DEFICIENC, deficiency, defect. Please write the assignment. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.